welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine and I make videos all about slip of life, organization, and planner videos. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Today is gonna be a pretty long video, I would say, because I'm gonna be planning for the month of February. I have my notes up here on the side. I'm also going to be goal setting and weekly goal setting and just reflecting on the past month. Before we get there, I want to look back to the month of January. Ta-da-da. This is my month of January that I planned with you guys, and I just kind of want to go over the goals that I did have for that month. Let me zoom you guys in. So this is the goals that I did have for that month. So I usually do in a groups of 3 when it comes to my goals. I have my sheet here of all the goals that I have for the year, but and each all these goals has a certain category. So this one's personal, this one is finance, and then this one is career / YouTube. So within each category I do about 3 goals, but within the month, because this is my yearly goal, this is what I want to accomplish within the year. Okay, I don't really remember where I left off, but what I was saying is that each category has about 3 goals within them. This is the yearly goal that I want to accomplish for the year. However, each month I just take a goal from each category and I break it down into monthly goals. So for last month, I put read 4 books in 1 month, upload 2 times a week, and organize my kitchen, which play into being more organized in my home, growing my brain, and the career side, which is uploading 2 times a week on YouTube, which is growing my channel. So as far as February goes, I'm gonna show you guys my goals. I also did a weekly planning, so that's why that's here, but we're gonna keep that there. And then in February, we're gonna create 3 new goals, which I already have right here in my notes. I did this off camera. These are just my YouTube ideas, my reflection for the goals, my goals, and then just important dates that are happening in February. So for the first goal that I want to accomplish is within finance. So finance, I have about $39,000 right now in credit card debt. Mostly not because of like a shopping addiction. It was because my dog broke his leg and I had to do surgery on it, so that's why it's up to that price. However, if not, I would have only had like $1,000. Before his leg was broken, I only had like about $1,000 in credit card debt. At least $500 this month in February to put into the credit cards. I want to try to pay it down. I'm on track to paying it down by April. That's my goal. So $500 this month. That's in the finance category. The other 2 goals the other goal is in the career / YouTube category, which is continuing to upload 2 times a week, which I did really good the first 2 weeks last month. In January, the first 2 weeks of January, I had to skip a week just because I did get sick, so I wasn't able to film last week, which is what this video is going to be uploading on. I'm going back to uploading 2 times a week. So I feel like I did really good with my goal last month. As far as my personal goal for the month of February is I want to lose about 4 pounds. I did get a gym membership and I have been going, but it's just been a slow ease back into it. But I really want to focus in on trying to lose some weight and getting really fit for the summer. So we're gonna start off with the key, as always. It just helps me visually what stuff I'm going to be focusing on for the month. Like what, if I'm looking for a bill, I know which color the bill, I know what color highlighter a bill is going to be, and I could just search for it without having to look with everything. Like I know exactly where to go if I'm looking for something in my planner, because I usually have my planner filled up so it's easier to just locate where things are at in my planner. So I'm going to use the same key that I used last month. For this month, it's just going to be the same key that I'm going to use for all year, just to make it cohesive, easy for me to locate my stuff. So we're going to start off with writing key on here. And I'm writing it over again just so it's easier for me not to have to jump all the way back to January in order to look for the key. I could just look for it within the same page. So.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something.
So there is my key right here. And then next up I'm going to write is my goals. So it's going to look similar to this.
There's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
That is my goals for the month. So now what do I do is I go into the monthly planning. Now that I figured out what my goals for the month are, I go into monthly planning. So I put a habit tracker so that I'm able to make sure that I'm on track with completing this goal. So as far as the first goal, which is putting $500 into the credit card, I get paid on the 25th. So I'm gonna just put a little circle right here. Oh, actually I'm not gonna get paid on the 25th. Because it's a Saturday, so I should be getting paid on Friday. So I'm gonna put a little circle, and I'm gonna put 500, so that when I do get paid, I know what to do with that. Speaking of getting paid, I have a little sticker right here, the payday one, and I'm gonna stick it onto that day, which is, oh, that's not February. There's February. There we go. We got payday. For the next goal is to upload 2 times a week. I upload Mondays and Wednesdays every week. So I'm going to write the videos that I'm going to be uploading. I have about 8 videos here off to the side already ready to go, already planned out. So I'm just going to decide which day I'm going to upload what. So you guys kind of get a sneak peek of what I'm uploading for the month. So that's for the month of February, all the videos that I'm uploading, and then uploading 2 times in the week, and then losing about 4 pounds. So I'm just going to be going to the gym about an hour every single day, or at least make it to the gym, not every single day, sorry, 4 times a week. And I'll do weekly check-ins. So every single day I'm just gonna write like gym and then make sure I check it off, and that's gonna be like my habit tracker. And then so the important day is February 6th because that's the first day I go back to work. I haven't been at work for about 3 months. So first day. That is about it when it comes to me planning for my month.